Is only one of your AirPods actually working, leaving you feeling like you're missing half the soundtrack to your life? First up, the easiest fix: check for grime. Dust and earwax can clog the speakers, causing a volume imbalance. Carefully inspect the mesh on the bottom where the sound comes out. Use a soft, dry toothbrush or a cotton swab to gently clean away any debris. Next, let's dive into the Bluetooth settings. Make sure both AirPods are connected and the volume is balanced. In your phone settings, there might be a volume slider issue then. Sometimes a simple disconnect and reconnect does the trick. Forget your AirPods in your Bluetooth settings. Now, put both AirPods back in their charging case and close the lid. This is important because you need to ensure both AirPods are fully connected to the case. With the lid closed for about 30 seconds, reopen it near your iPhone and reconnect them. See if the issue is resolved. Still only hearing sound from one AirPod? It's time to reset them. Put the AirPods in their case. Keep the lid open on the back of the case. There's a button. Press and hold that button for about 15 seconds, or until the light flashes white. The white flashing light indicates that the AirPods are resetting. After that, try repairing them with your iPhone and test again. That should do the trick. These methods usually resolve audio imbalance. If none of these work, it might be a hardware issue. Consider contacting Apple support.